Beautiful lentil called Makara Torana. In center we can see Shiva dancing Nataraja sir. Right side we can see Brahma, left side Vishnu, both side Mirikaram called Makara. Makara means we have combination of 7 animal spots. We can see details. Legs to a lion, body looks like a pig, mouth like a crocodile, trunk to an elephant, eyes to a monkey, ears to a cow, tails to a peacock. Vehicle of Varuna, god of water. And the platform will see total 64. There is a Belur only 32. Dancing Ganesha and his vehicle and his vehicle rat. Because more weight of Ganesha. Rat is struggling, mouth is open like it's reaching. Even the earth, we can see, even the earth is a depressed earth. The rat try to have grips, it is a gift and eyes also, you can see. Because the sculpture imagination, rat is small and Ganesha is more weighted. This side you can see Ganesha's brother Subramanya or Kartikeya. And his vehicle peacock. Actually he has 6 pairs here. Here you can see 3 pairs, another 3 pairs at back side. We can this is Arjuna shooting the fisher's eyes. Looking at the reflection in the iron part, but there is damage written at it. Arjuna's monkey flag is there. Another flag called Draupadi, Swamara, because Sanskrit. Indian Trinities, Indian 3 main gods in India. We can see beginning Brahma, second Shiva, third one Vishnu. Usually Vishnu is center, this is Shiva is center. Because this is Shiva temple. They are more impulse of Shiva. God means, G-O-D. G means generator, Brahma, O means operator, Vishnu, D means destroyer, Shiva, Susti, Sthiti, Laya. We can see the Shiva Parvati called Uma Maheshwara. When Parvati is called calm, she is called Uma, then the vehicle will be Mungus. When she is angry, Durgi, Chamundi, she is called Durga, then the vehicle one for lion. So Parvati is 2 vehicles, one for lion, one for Mungus. In Bhairava is a naked form. You can identify Bhairava is one of the left wing holding a demon head, blood. Blood is gulping out dark, jumping and drinking a blood. Shiva is wearing the heel slippers. You can see modern design called heels. In those days the wooden slippers. 20,000 statue in this temple. This ocean of art.